What are the absolute best labels for your handcrafted packaged items? The answer to that is the one that you have complete control over when you want to customize your look and your logo. In this video, I'm going to show you two really neat features out of dozens that you can explore in the label creator at Cottage DIY that will empower you to have complete control over the labels that you want to create. If you want to embed your own custom QR codes or barcodes, you no longer have to order them as stickers and then place them on your labels. You can embed them directly on your labels in 20 seconds and then print them directly from your printer to be immediately used on your packages. So let's take a look at QR codes. You're probably familiar with a QR code. It's a unique digital square that has a signature for exactly your website. If you place a QR code on your label, a person can simply open up their camera and point it on your package, and your website will instantly open up on their phone. And this makes getting to your website for potential customers super easy because they don't have to stop and search or type anything into a small handheld device. So let me show you just how easy it is to get this on your label. Log into your dashboard at cottagediy.com and begin making a label. You can get to the label creator in two places, up at the top menu under the Essential Tool tab, or if you look to the left of your dashboard, just under your account control, I put some links there so that you don't have to scroll back up. Click on Make a New Label, and this will take you to a page where you can select a type of label that you want to make. I'll select a 2 by 4 inch tall label. This is a pretty big label, so maybe you're making a lotion and this is going to go on an 8-ounce bottle. So go ahead and click on Start Design, and here we can play around and we can make a design, anything that you want. We can add some words and then change this text to reflect the name of your lotion bottle. We can add some pretty borders. And when we want to add a QR code, just go over here to Elements. Click on this and you'll end up seeing several features, and one of them says bar/QR code. Click on this, and a little window will pop up. Type in the name of your website and then click Create QR Code. Then boom, a QR code will appear right on your label. And you can resize it if you want, but it is probably best to keep it right around 1 by 1 inch. That's pretty good. And you can change the color. It doesn't have to be red. And just put it anywhere that you want on your label. Now let's say your business is a little bit more advanced and you do have barcodes. If you want your barcode to print directly onto your label, then type in your designated barcode for your product. This will be a little sequence of numbers, and then go ahead and click Create Barcode. And boom, you get a barcode that you can adjust and place directly on your label. Now, once you're done making your label, you can save it to your account and you can come back when you're ready to use it, or you can edit it, or you can use this sort of as a template to make more labels if you want to change the color, look, or name of a particular product. And you can change it anytime that you want, or you can download this label and you can print it out and use it right now. Go up to this button that says Download, and if you want to just print this out right now and use it, you're going to download it as a PDF, because that's going to give you the file that stays physically the size that you selected. It will stay 2 by 4 inches when you print it out on a piece of paper. If you select a PNG or an SVG, that's going to keep all the information in your file, but really it's intended to be used in more digital editing. So if you try to print those files directly from your computer, it will print as a big image taking up the whole page. So you want to print the file from your computer as a PDF. Now, you don't have to print out just one label. You could just place a whole bunch of labels on one sheet from here. You don't need to have any other software like Photoshop or anything else. But that is another tutorial that'll take you through that step. But just know that you can do that too. And so that is how you place a QR code directly on your custom label that is ready to be printed immediately. Now, if you're a member at Cottage DIY, you can log in and you can use this immediately, or you can learn more about how to get access to the label creator with the link below this video. More label tutorials are on the way, so subscribe and stay tuned.